In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the taillight assembly on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. There are 4 Phillips head screws holding these taillights on. The process is the same for both sides, so just take a screwdriver and remove all 4. You don't have to pull the screw out completely, just back it out about halfway. That should release it from the body of the vehicle. It's got some plastic clips that it threads into on that side. All right, now you can flip it over. You'll see the electrical connector on the back side. It's just one main connector, and the tab for it is right up here. If you press that in, you should be able to wiggle the connector out. There's your old taillight. Now take your connector, inspect it. If it's corroded, take care of it accordingly. Clean the corrosion. If not, I recommend adding a little bit of dielectric grease on it so it does not corrode in the future. Click it in. A silent click, but you can see the tab is behind this one, so it is locked in place. Now line up the taillight to where all 4 mounting screws look like they're going in. This one's falling out, so I'm actually going to start with this one. That way it gets threaded on. Okay, so that one's started. I'm not going to tighten that one yet. I'm going to start the one on the opposite corner. There we go. These side ones you can kind of see through the opening here. Get this in. Last one's going to be on the bottom here. There we go. That one's going in as well. So now with all 4 in, I can tighten these up a little bit at a time. I don't want to break anything. Get this thing seated. That's snug. Keep in mind they're going into plastic. You don't want to strip that insert out, otherwise it won't get tight. So just snug it up a little. Okay, that one's tight. Let's double check the rest of them. Nice and snug. You don't want to crack this lens, and of course you don't want to strip out the plastic inserts. At this point, make sure everything works. Do the same to the other side if you need to, and there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.